So today I'm about to show you how to insert a code snippet in Flowith.io. If you want to share programming scripts, organize code blocks cleanly on your AI canvas, or keep your developer workflows perfectly structured, this quick trick is absolutely the best. First, log into Flowith and open your active node canvas. Double-click inside the text node where you want to place your code or create a brand new prompt block. This will open up the editor field, letting you type or paste text directly onto your active canvas. Next, to format your text into an actual code snippet, use the Markdown standard. Type 3 backticks on your keyboard, the key right below the escape button. Type your programming language name immediately after, like HTML or Python, hit enter, paste your block of code, and then close it off with 3 more backticks on a new line. Now, click out of the editing window or hit the preview button. The workspace will instantly transform your raw text into a beautiful, isolated code card completed with syntax highlighting and a quick copy button. So that's it. That's how to insert a code snippet in Flowith.io. Make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.